Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you my trade setups. Now what are trade setups? Trade setups are those which is a collection of indicators that you use regularly on a daily basis to trade your stocks or in your trading career. Now these setups are not more than 3 or 4. You use only a few of them out of the many on a regular basis. So in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly what I use for my trading setups. So let's get started. Now this is a random chart I've pulled out. As you can see, downs and ups, downs and ups, you can see over here. Now one of my indicator in my setup is moving average, simple moving average, parabolic SAR, and RSI, relative strength index. These are the indicators that I most oftenly use in my trading setups. Now RSI shows you the overbought and oversold levels, as you can see over here. I've showed you how to use these in my previous videos, how to buy stocks on the basis of the RSI. As you can see here, this is I would use the concept of support and resistance level. This is the over here it is a resistance level, but over here it's a support level. And as you can see, this area acts as an oversold area, so the stocks as reached to this point turns over and moved in the upward direction. The same is with the parabolic SAR. As you can see, when the parabolic SAR is above the candlesticks, it means that the trend will become a downtrend. Now if it's under the candlestick, it means that a trend will be uptrend. But sometimes the trend does not change. As you can see over here, it is trading above, but the trend did not change for a while. And the same is here, it trades below the candlestick, but the trend didn't went to an uptrend. It traded in a side trend, in a pattern of side trend. Now sometimes what I do is I change the length of this to 200-day moving average, from 9 to 200, as you can see here. Now whenever the stocks are below this 200-day moving average, it is the concept that you should buy the stocks and sell when they are at the highest of these levels, when it is above the moving average. This is what I've learned on my trading. Now besides that, sometimes I use, well, not sometimes but most of the time, for retracement levels I use Fibonacci retracements, plotted over here at the lowest level and the highest level. As you can see here, the trend reverses from its 38th level. So these are the few things. This is also profitable for recognizing pullbacks. I use it most oftenly to give me to show me how much will be the initial pullback, so that I can enter the trade from that point. This is used to recognize it can now let me show you over here at this level where it is. Yes, let me pull it down. Yes, over here. Now this was the initial pullback, the 50% retracement level. It moved upward from that. So you can use it both in a side trend and in a downtrend as well. Now you can see this is the lowest level of over here. If you want to buy over here and want to trade the pullback, then buy over here and wait for where the initial pullback, rally or pullback might occur, and from that you can from there you sell your stocks and buy and invest in the newer one, and you can diversify your portfolio or lock in your gains. Now this is something that it's a great tool to use in the stock market to recognize the pullbacks, or give you a hint on where the pullbacks might be going. Now this also I use to tell me, like, I would show you with an example. Let's say I've purchased a stock over here at this level, so I would place it over here. Instead of calculating my risk and profit, I would use this tool. Now I would set it to 3% loss, and my gains would be maximum. What are my gains over here? 22%. 22.45% are my gains over here. I've locked in, and 9%, or I would suggest to leave it like this, unlimited, so wherever they go it will make you a high profit. Now it is this, most of the time you can also use this to, like, from over here, if the trade starts to go up, move it along that, as you can see here, and so this will be moving with it, the loss portion will be moving with it. Now this is the benefit, this is a great tool to use, because you do not need to calculate what to do and what to not do, like how much profit should you make and how much loss should you make. Now the other thing I mostly use is the Ichimoku cloud. Where it is? Yes, over here. It's an ugly cloud, you can see over here, but sometimes I use this. Now I will be showing this to you in future videos of mine on how to use the Ichimoku cloud. Other than that, these are my indicators that I use, these are my setups that I used for my trading. Now there are a lot of tools out there, but these are the indicators that I'm most comfortable using, that show me the clear path of where the overall trend is heading. These are the indicators that I use. You can come up with your own and trade according to those indicators. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me.